They ain't want to see it. You ready? Let's go get them. What's up, y'all? JustZay here, back getting another pickup. And today, of course, we got another special review. Today's review, you know what? I'm sorry, baby. I knew you was there, but you was so quiet, I didn't even notice you was there. Today, y'all, we got my special co-host with me, Miss Anila. Say hello to the camera. You want to wave? It's all good. It's all good. As long as you here. So, today we got a special unboxing. Today we're unboxing a pair of Adidas, but not just any pair of Adidas. Today we're unboxing a pair of Adidas Crazy, and some of you may know these as the Kobe's, and some of you may know these as what could have been the Kobe's. So that's right. Today we're unboxing a pair of Crazy 2 Infinity 2.5s. Hey, as long as she quiet and happy. Hey! I was just about to say something about you. I'm sorry. All right, let's get to it. All right, so right off the bat, the first thing you're gonna notice with these shoes is that this zip closure right here, which takes up about 30% of the shoe. And the great thing about this is that they didn't go cheap. They have name brand zippers, which is the YKK, and this particular brand is very popular in the US. I mean, I read somewhere that they make about 7 billion per year zippers, so very good quality zipper, little resistance, and I imagine that's because my foot's not in it, but I like it. So you have the upper right here. This is actually called the core black. That's what this colorway is right here up top, and then right here you're gonna have what's called the talc, and that's throughout the whole shoe. That's what this whole rubber outsole is. And then if you flip it over to the bottom, you're gonna see this little hint of like a greenish yellow color. This is actually classified as the pulse olive. So overall, man, I'm gonna be honest, this shoe has grown on me. The more that I see this in person, the more justice it does for me. Now on camera, you may not have this same feeling. A lot of people are gonna buy these simply because that these were the shoes. Well, these are a version of a pair of shoes that Kobe wore. Kobe wore a previous version which didn't have this zip closure, and that was back in 2000, right before he left Adidas and went to Nike. So a lot of people gonna buy these just for sentimental reasons, just because he's no longer here, and they might be able to sell these and flip it. But I'm gonna be honest, if you can get your hands on these at retail, definitely do that, because this will not disappoint you. Now, another thing about this shoe that I did not notice until we were filming is that right here, it's probably clear to you guys because we're on camera, but I did not notice this is reflective material right here. I had not noticed that. Now, Adidas says that this shoe right here was super duper futuristic. Now, in the next scene, I'm gonna show you guys a reason why I beg to differ with that. All right, so real quick, guys, this shoe right here is what changed the game in my eyes. This is the shoe that I feel that Adidas modeled their shoe after, because these came out back in '97, and if you guys remember, Penny Hardaway debuted a pair of shoes looks very similar to this, but I believe his pair did not have the check on it. I can't remember, but the concept is the same. It's still pretty much the same shoe. You have the same material at the top and the same material at the bottom. Only difference is you have this check or not. But I'm pretty sure that his pair did not have the check. But these, of course, are the Nike Air Foamposites, and the reason I say that these are very similar to this shoe is because look at it. Look at the structure of this shoe. So starting off with Adidas, you have this foam-like material, and then you have the hard plastic right here. Now, if you look at the Nikes back in '97, you have the foam-like material, and then you have the carbon fiber. You have the carbon fiber. Oh man, this is taking me back. And the more I look at these, I just, man, you know what they say, time heals all, but it also kills all. Because believe it or not, these were actually like a super duper icy clear white.
And if you have a pair of Jordans, or even if you had a pair of the OG Air Force Ones, then you know they've been playing around with it, and sometimes making it blue, sometimes making it clear, but over time it just turns yellow, man. And believe it or not, these are VNDS, very near dead stock. I rarely wore these, but it is what it is, man. That just took me back. All right, back to the review. So, like I said, man, this shoe is very, very much similar to this shoe, even down to the sizing. So if you wear your true size, you'll be fine if you're going to be balling in these. But if you want to wear them casually, go half a size up, because they're easier to slip on and easier to slip off. Same thing for this shoe. And I believe they're coming out with more colorways. Too. What a coincidence. Yeah, because I'm going to be pushing down on this. I don't want to do that. I don't want to ruin the reflective material, so definitely have to use your hands to put these on and then zip them up. Or if you don't want to zip them up, go without zipping them up. But there's a lot of padding on this shoe, but I still recommend going half a size up on these bad boys. Now you can definitely take these off without having to unlace them, but you're gonna have to unzip them regardless. So there's no way around that.
I'm extremely excited, and I feel sad a little bit when this tends to happen. But as you guys know, I do a lot of sneaker reviews, and I was fortunate enough to get an extra pair of shoes for free, for the Frito. So in order to keep my karma good, because I know somebody paid for these and I didn't, I'm gonna do a giveaway. So I'm gonna give these shoes away, but the